योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचां मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोत्तं प्रवरं मुनीनां पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि Namaste. I am Dr. Rajani Pradhan from India, Bharat. I am MA in Sanskrit and MA in Yoga Shastra, as well as PhD in Yoga Shastra and a PhD guide as well. I am a guest faculty of Sky Yoga and Meditation Center, Bali, Indonesia. Today we are going to discuss about the definition of yoga according to sage Patanjali. The Yoga Sutra says, Yoga Citta Vritti Nirodhah. This is the second sutra of the first chapter of sage Patanjali's Yoga Darshana, which talks about what yoga is. So it says, Yoga Citta Vritti Nirodhah. There are 4 words put together. The sutra becomes Yoga Citta Vritti Nirodhah. So if we know this sentence, we will come to know what is yoga according to sage Patanjali. Let's try. Yoga Citta Vritti Nirodhah. The word yoga means yoga is. That means yoga is whatever is being said in the rest of the 3 words. Yoga is Citta Vritti Nirodhah. Now we need to know these 3 words. If we know these 3 words, we will come to know what is yoga. Alright, so the next word we will try to know is either Citta or Vritti or Nirodhah. So which one we should take? I'll give you a clue. I'm going to utter these 4 words and you have to tell me which 2 words are rhyming. You know rhyming? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. That way rhyming. Yoga Citta Vritti Nirodhah. Yoga Citta Vritti Nirodhah. Tell me which 2 words are rhyming. Okay, so it is first and fourth. Yoga Nirodhah. Yoga means yoga is. So Nirodha means Nirodha is. Yoga is Nirodha, Nirodha is yoga. So what is this Nirodha? Nirodha means minimizing something, minimizing completely until it comes to a complete stoppage. Keep on minimizing until that time. That is Nirodha. Now what are we minimizing? We are minimizing Citta Vritti. What is Citta? Or if I ask you where's your nose? Here it is. Your ears? Here. Cheek, chin, eyes. We can point out these names because they have a physical appearance. If I ask you where's your mind, where will you say? Most of the people will say here. But where exactly is this mind? In me. Okay, I tell you a word. Elephant. Now tell me where's this elephant? You will say it is in my mind. Yes. So that place where this elephant is called mind. Do you mind? Okay. So this place is mind. If I say bicycle, where's this bicycle? The place where this bicycle is, the place where this elephant is, that place is called mind. In fact, Citta is the correct word. Mind is little insufficient translation, but it's okay. So Citta, what is this Vritti? Vritti means, it's a sea, suppose. And it takes the shape of a small wave or a big wave. So those waves are shapes of the seawater. Seawater is there. But when it takes shape like this, we call it wave exactly same way, there is chitta. When it takes a shape, like it took the shape of elephant and gave me the knowledge of elephant. It took the shape of bicycle and gave me the knowledge of a bicycle. That way, taking shape is called vritti. So now yoga, Citta Vritti Nirodhah. Yoga is, the Citta Vritti, mind taking different shapes. Why? Because there is either stimulus from outside or an inspiration from inside, then the mind keeps on taking shapes and shapes and shapes. So stopping, but stopping is not like a sudden break. When you're driving a two-wheeler or a car, and you don't go suddenly brake. You slowly slow down the speed and then put a brake. Like that, the mind and its vrittis, its modifications, taking shapes, they are, with the help of processes, methods given in Yoga Darshana, those are minimized, channelized, minimized, channelized, minimize until there is nothing more left to minimize. Means the vrittis have come to a complete stoppage. So now try to make a definition of Yoga Citta Vritti Nirodhah. Yoga is minimizing, channelizing, minimizing the taking of shapes of the mind. That is yoga. In fact, whenever we are studying, we don't just study the words and sutras and we don't just chant them, we dance the sutra. How do we dance? Okay, so here's the choreography. Bring your hands to a namaskar position. So we say Yoga Citta Vritti Nirodhah. One more time. Yoga Citta Vritti Nirodhah. So that is yoga. I hope you enjoyed the definition of yoga according to sage Patanjali.